Haryana Home Minister Anil Vij has tested positive for coronavirus just days after getting his first dose of Bharat Biotech's Covaxin. The vaccine maker has clarified that Covaxin is effective after 2 doses and Anil Vij has got just 1 dose. With over 4 lakh active coronavirus cases, the question is, how long do we have to wait for an effective vaccine? Here's more on that story.
As India hunts for a vaccine, its Swadeshi COVID magic bullet, Bharat Biotech's Covaxin is in the news. Days after getting the trial dose of Covaxin, Haryana Home Minister Anil Vij tested positive for coronavirus. Vij offered to be the first volunteer for Covaxin's third phase trial on November 20th. Taking to Twitter, Vij requested those who have come in close contact with him to get themselves tested. Anil Vij was to be given second dose of Covaxin on December 18th. Bharat Biotech was quick to clarify over the efficacy of its vaccine. The pharma firm made it clear that clinical trial is based on a 2-dose schedule and the vaccine will be effective after both the doses. Bharat Biotech also cleared the air regarding the vaccine efficacy, saying it works only after 14 days of the second dose. Bharat Biotech also said Phase 3 is a double-blind study where volunteers have a 50% chance of receiving either vaccine or placebo. Union Health Ministry also confirmed that Covaxin is a 2-dose vaccine and Anil Vij received just 1 dose. Bharat Biotech's Covaxin is India's first indigenous vaccine. The vaccine is developed with ICMR and National Institute of Virology. The vaccine uses weakened virus strain and aims to build antibody response. Currently, Covaxin's Phase 3 clinical trial is underway. Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently visited Bharat Biotech and took stock of the COVID situation. Earlier, Prime Minister assured Indians that we will not have to wait long for a safe and cost-effective vaccine.
करीब 8 ऐसी संभावित वैक्सीन है जो ट्रायल के अलग-अलग चरण में और जिनकी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग भारत में ही होनी है। भारत की अपनी 3 अलग-अलग वैक्सीन का ट्रायल अलग-अलग चरणों में है। एक्सपर्ट्स ये मानकर चल रहे हैं कि अब कोरोना की वैक्सीन के लिए बहुत ज्यादा इंतजार नहीं करना पड़ेगा।
Days after getting his first shot, Anil Vij tested positive, which has not only worried the volunteers and common people, but also Haryana government authorities, as Anil Vij met a number of people, including the Chief Minister, Yoga Guru Ramdev, scribes, and various bureaucrats during the past week. The Bharat Biotech has, however, clarified that efficacy of this vaccine can only be determined 14 days after the second dose. With video journalist Dilip Sahu, this is Manjit Sehgal in Chandigarh for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.